What's up, boss Dons? It's CurtisDonDeano, and today we're going to be unboxing a treadmill. The title says TikTok or treadmill because I always see people on like reels and TikToks with this.
How you do it? We missed the record button.
Okay.
Is it already recorded?
The 45-year-old woman is recording the unboxing. But the money comes to your account for YouTube anyway.
Yes, I don't know why.
It don't go in my pocket. Am I holding the camera right?
Yeah. So we're in the Setting Studio store and CurtisDonDeano.
How does the lighting look?
Dark.
Dark.
Oh, well, see, that's, you gotta hold it a different way. Now, I apologize for the lighting. It may be a little different because, you know, we're not sitting in front of a million lights today. We just in the studio. This is my little sister's store. If y'all want a store tour, comment below. When she come back in here, if she come back in here while we're recording, I'm gonna ask her for a store tour. So, and I might give y'all a store tour of it myself. Okay, so this is one of those like flat treadmills. It isn't meant for working out, but I think this should be fun. So it says on this little pamphlet, after you receive the treadmill, please turn on the machine and let it run empty. Say empty, it take gas. To check whether the running belt has shifted due to logistics reasons. If you find an offset, please adjust it as follows. Flag on the play. Immediately, it seems as if it's gonna be like.
You trying to smoke?
Yeah, why? I mean, this ain't no real instructional video. This is more show and tell type video. Yo, I'm so high. I feel like I'm about to pass out. Alright, so let's see what it comes with. I already see some type of liquid. That's scary. Alright, so let's see. What's up, cuz? So we got a fitness equipment manual. We have a remote. That's cool. I didn't know I had a remote. We have L wrench. And we have a lubricant oil. This scares me. I don't like the idea of having to do anything. Like, it just gives me like, if you don't do something, it'll catch fire. It's not my vibe. It's pretty heavy, but it's like liftable. So as you can see, like, it is like flat screen TV thin. See? So let's get this bad boy out the plastic. Okay, whoop, shit. It's pretty cool. Oh, it rolls, so that's cool. Like if you could roll it on this side right here. I really bought this with the sole purpose of doing unboxings because I really want to take my unboxing up a notch. Okay. So, right off the bat, I just want to get into some things. Every time I say get into some things, see it's already a little. Oh, the cord is kind of short, so you gotta have it pretty close to an outlet, I guess. Okay, so it came on. Maybe I should read the instructions first so I can see what we need to do. All right, let's see. It was telling me something. After you receive the treadmill, please turn on the machine, let it run empty. No one is standing on the machine to check whether the running belt has shifted due to logistics reasons. If you find an offset, please adjust it as follows. Let's see, let's look at ours. No, that looks about the same, right? That looks a little crooked on this side, but let me see. Oh shit, I turned it off. Damn, I'm dumb. So I'm assuming you have to use the remote. Alright, let's get this bad boy out. Got plastic. Take that out. Put the battery in. wonder how fast do I need to turn it up? Looks about right to me. You want to get on this shit? Mm-hmm. All right, go ahead. All right.
Can I take my shoes on?
No, you can put your shoes on.
How did I get on the treadmill?
You step on it. Alright. Now we gotta turn the speed up some.
Don't turn it up too.
I'm not gonna, it don't go that fast anyway.
Hurry.
It can't be that fast. See, this how I'm be on my TikToks. Oh. I would say stay close to the front. It sounds like it's rubbing up against the floor, don't it? So 10 is the maximum. You get a little jog with 10. I would say this cool for 10. Wait, don't try to hop on you and bust your ass.
Oh my god, I wish Steaks was here.
Yo, I'm not taking it home yet.
Ready?
Go.
It's too fast right now. This is kind of hard because it's nothing to hold on to.
That's true. Oh my god, Joe. How would you allow yourself to fall? That's dumb. That's really dumb.
It's really fast.
It's not that fast.
It's fast. Mind you, you're not holding on to nothing but your balance.
I wanna know how I'm gonna shoot my TikToks in this. Not just my TikToks, my
You gotta put on a ring light.
Sidebar. When y'all wear like Yeezys, do y'all wear socks with y'all's? I got on like Adidas socks right now, but I don't really wear shoes without socks. So, and I know they like slippers. And I see people wearing them without socks. But how do y'all feel about it? Like, how do y'all feel about it? Like, imagine if I was doing like an on foot. I feel like this would be where I show my shoes. Good blood crumpers. Alright, boss done. So I hope y'all like my unboxing. I hope y'all like the new direction I'm trying to take my channel. My goal for this is to be able to like make more impactful content, because I feel like you see so much of the same stuff online. So I know you're probably thinking like, well, why would you go do something that you already see people doing? Because I see that many people doing it yet. That's why. Long story short, if you guys would like to see me do my foot with this, I think it'll be tough. I think it'll be like next level, because usually on foot you get like a little back forth motion. Like I could show you, it'd be more like, it'd be like, these shoes look so bad from this side, and that's how it'd be like, you know, a little kickback. But I probably wasn't even showing y'all. But overall, my point is just that I feel like if I want to grow, gotta do stuff better, gotta do stuff, just try anything. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. A lot more content coming soon. This was just a little quick video. So for those Bostons that watched, I greatly appreciate y'all. Like, it means the world to me. We're rebuilding, so it's a lot of changes. One of the main changes will probably be like the lack of viewers, but we getting back to it, baby. Getting back to it.